Are you ready to create stunning videos without complicated software? Today, I'm going to show you how to edit videos in Canva step by step, even if you've never edited a video before. First, head over to Canva and start a new video project. You'll see a blank timeline where you can upload your footage. Simply drag and drop your clips onto the timeline to start building your story. Next, trim or split your clips to remove any unwanted parts. This makes your video smooth and professional. You can also add text to highlight important points or convey messages clearly. Canva has tons of fonts and styles, so your text can look exactly how you want. To make your video more dynamic, explore elements like shapes, stickers, and transitions between clips. These small touches can make your video pop and keep viewers engaged. Want to add music or adjust the pace of your video? Canva lets you control video speed, insert background music, and even enhance video quality with built-in editing tools. Once everything looks perfect, hit download and your video is ready to share as an MP4. With these simple steps, you can create polished, eye-catching videos quickly, even if you're a beginner. Start experimenting today and see how fun and easy video editing can be.